Now we shall go into little more advanced versions of separation techniques. One separation technique in that list goes into simple distillation. See, simple distillation, it happens in many laboratories, even many organic chemistry laboratories, in order to separate solvent from a solution. For example, yeah, you see this round bottom flask. I will tell you how this simple distillation happens. See, in this round bottom flask, yeah, there will be this. There are many ways this simple distillation apparatus comes. So here, okay, so here you consider it now. Yeah, here here actually this round bottom flask, it will be boiling. Sometimes it will be boiling with spirit lamp or any means, like you consider this round bottom flask containing sodium chloride solution. Okay, so once you boil it, what can happen? So here, okay, this water vapor, it will go soon evaporating here, right? It will evaporate, and here the water vapor, actually the vapor, it will go soon evaporates. So here the H2O gas, it comes. Okay, and now when it pass through this condenser, this is nothing but a condenser. See here, through this condenser, the the cold water, it will be entering. Okay, so this water, it will go through this condenser, and it will keep on, it will keep on, this is the place actually, this through here, inside the condenser, through here, the water vapor, it will be passing. So, this water which is entering through the condenser, this is cool water, right? And after circling, this water, this cool water, it will be going out through here. In fact, this from here actually, I can draw here. So here the water, it will be entering through here through a pump. So the same pump, this is the inlet, this is the outlet. So the water which is coming through this outlet, it will be collecting over here in this small bucket. So from here again, the same water from this place, where the water is collecting, it will pass through the same inlet. So the same cold water, it keeps on circulating through the condenser. What will happen now? What shall happen is, when this water vapor, it passes through the condenser, the H2O vapor, it get cold, and once it comes here, I will come here. Here, pure water, we can call it as a distilled water. Like here in this place, the pure water or distilled water, it will be coming down. Okay, so this process is called a simple distillation. In fact, in this Gulf countries and all, where we need to purify the water, in those situations, purify the water from salt water, in those situations we will be using the simple distillation technique. We shall talk about this fractional distillation. See, fractional distillation, when we are exploiting fractional distillation is, by the time we are having two liquids, for example, ethanol and water, or say like ethanol and acetone, or hexane and propanol. So two liquids are having somewhat closely related, boiling point. In that situations, we will be using the fractional distillation. Okay, for example, you consider ethanol. So you consider this is a beaker which containing ethanol. Ethanol is having the boiling point. so around 78 degrees Celsius. And water. So water is having the boiling point 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. So in this situation, what we will use is what we will try to do is actually you cannot use a simple distillation, because simple distillation, if you use this ethanol and water, it will evaporate almost in the same time, and the fraction the something which we are collecting, okay, it will contain both the ethanol as well as water. So we cannot easily separate ethanol and water, right? So in this situation, we will use a fractional distillation. So fractional distillation actually you can use here. So this is the apparatus for fractional distillation. So you can, and this is nothing but here actually in fractional distillation, this is the beaker, this is the round bottom flask, and here we will be heating. This round bottom flask, it contains ethanol and water. This is the column. This is the fractionating column. In fractionating column, we shall put a glass bed. The glass vials we will be keeping. So some small glass beds we will keep. So what will happen when we will be heating? Okay. So this ethanol and water, it evaporates almost in the same time. Okay, it almost evaporates in the same time. So once the temperature reaches above 78 degrees Celsius, so this both the ethanol vapor and water vapor, it will reach us here. But due to the movement of the ethanol vapor, it will be little bit more compared to the water. So the water, it will condenses. I mean, like the water vapor, it get condenses. So here when we are heating, this water liquid, it will converted into water vapor. So in this glass buds, it will condense back to water. I mean it will condense back to water liquid. Okay, in glass buds, so that the water, it will come back. It will come back to liquid state. Okay, come back to liquid state at this glass bud itself. On the other hand, this ethanol, it will evaporate and see from here. Okay, so from here, yeah. So this is nothing but a condenser. Condenser, through here the ethanol vapor, it will be passing, right? Through here the ethanol vapor will be passing. Here the water, I mean liquid water, it will be passing for cooling. Cooling this. This is the inlet. This is the outlet. So the water vapor, it will keep on circulating through here. It will keep on circulating through here, and this water vapor, it get evaporates. So it will condenses back to the ethanol, it will condenses back to its beaker. Okay, so what you need to know is this what to say, in this fractional distillation, we will usually in petroleum industry and we will use a fractional distillation when we need to separate two or more components. Okay, when we need to separate two or more components, we will use a fractional distillation, so that different liquids which is having a different boiling point, it will, once we increases the, suppose consider for example, A, it is having 78 degrees Celsius, B, it is having 100 degrees Celsius, C, it is having 120 degrees Celsius. So when the temperature rises above 80, say like 78, the A will be separating. B and C, it will remain in the beaker. Even if it reaches on this glass buds, it will come back. Once the temperature reaches above B, 100 degrees Celsius, again what is going to happen is, this B again, it will evaporate. Once we reaches say 101 or 105 degrees Celsius, the B we will be collecting in this beaker and we will take it out. Now again we shall increase the temperature. Temperature will go to more than 120 degrees Celsius. We will collect this C also. This is how the fractional distillation happens. Like when we need to separate two or more liquids, in that situation we will use a fractional distillation. The main difference between fractional distillation and simple distillation is the use of glass beds, the column which is filled with the glass beds. This is the main difference. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay.